One Direction in the house. Alright guys, Bullseye here. Thank you for coming back to another episode of Bullseye TV. And as you can see, we are fixing to head out right now. Woo! Haha! That's what I'm talking about. If you guys haven't yet, please go like and subscribe. Support your boy Bullseye. Yeah, buddy. Today we are on our way to a cabin in a location that I'm not really aware of where it is. I really don't know where we're going. I wasn't planning on coming, but here I am now, and man, I'm very, very excited. Get to ride with all these guys, with all my friends, the way we do here in Texas, baby. I'm Bullseye on my 17-year-old King. I got Bobby on my left on a road glide. I got a Hollywood right in front of me on a rocket. I mean, not a rocket, on a Triumph Thunderbird. Right next to him, Crappie on another road glide. And then we got Bear on a Victory Vegas with the Kingpin front end. Then we got Yogi on a Rocket 3. And then we got, out of front, we got Starter on a badass Road King. And right next to him, I think we got Bobby Sr. on another road glide. Because here in Texas, everybody rides touring bikes. Because we all going the distance, baby. Yeah. Anyways, I was just informed that my buddy right here in front of me, Hollywood, will no longer be called Hollywood. He went from being Hollywood to Left Turn, and I heard that now he's called, well, now they're calling him One Direction. Why? Because he only knows how to go one direction, and that direction is straight. Oh man, I love the shit out of that guy. He's cool as hell. But we like, you know, we're all just a bunch of dirty life bikers that like to have a good time. Oh man, I'm so excited about this. Weather's beautiful here in Texas now. We had some pretty shitty weather the last week or so. So I'm gonna stop talking, guys. Me recording and talking on the camera, those takes a lot from trying to pay attention, you know what I mean, from the riding. So I'm gonna shut up for a minute and I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. We're about a good 45 minutes to an hour from our destination. We're gonna be running the border between Texas and Oklahoma. So I'll just see you guys over there at the meetup spot when we get there, or our next stop, which I don't know where it is. Like I said, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm all down for it. I'm down like 4 flats on a Cadillac. Yeah, boy. I'll see you guys in a minute. I'll park mine right here in the shade. Right in the shade. A new name?
Hey,
For who?
it's not a race ride unless somebody drops their shit.
Make sure I never will return. Let me be the shadow of your peace tonight. Let me be the superhero in the fight. Losing it for losers, and that is not an option here. This is what I'm made of, and you will never ever fear. When there's no one sitting on the throne, let me be the one showing you what I know. Down here is hard as hell, you'll burn. I will get up there and make sure I never will return.
All right, Hollywood or One Direction snores a lot, so we're gonna move his bed into a sunroom before he even notices it. So let's go do this. Come on, let's go fuck with them.
Fantastic.
That's a great idea.
Where's he at? Outside?
Oh no, this is funny in the bathroom.
We're gonna fit?
You have to tilt it.
No shit.
I will if you tilt it. Hold on.
You gotta put him in a different motherfucking room. Let me show you how this shit works, guys.
He wants to snore a fucking night. Here you go.
He got his own. He got a fan. He got a fucking beautiful view. Oh, he's good.
It might be the one that I.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's kind of badass view though. I mean, I'm kind of jealous now. Look at this shit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Y'all got smacked in the face. I hope that's sugar free. Oh, fuck. I hope that is sugar free. Hollywood.
Now this is pretty good.
Y'all remember how Hollywood attacked Joe after his? Well, he's right there.
We're talking bikes. We're talking bikes. This is
the one that
this is-
Subaru adopted.
film this because this is one. This is
This
one.
is going on my YouTube channel.
This is one for Bullseye TV.
Okay. One from Bullseye TV.
This is one for Bullseye TV.
Okay.
Now I'm saying, as a Scots, my dad drives a Triumph. I drive a Triumph, right? People in America think Harley is the best bike ever. You know,
Harley.
Harley,
It is the
right?
best bike ever.
Your opinion, right? Maybe you're betting. I don't turn around and say Triumph is the best bike ever
sounds
just
like a
because
Harley.
it's British. The best bike ever built is BMW's Boxer Twin. You
Pay more.
cannot beat.
I could agree with that. Yeah, I could agree with that.
And I'm going. Drop. I'm going to go to
I'm going
So I
to go to bed when I finish my drink. Whatever time that is.
Already?
I'm not saying right now. I'm not saying right this way.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Whenever I finish whatever drink I have, I'm probably going to go to sleep.
He's not drinking
Because I'm a little fucked up.
Well. What a time we had with everybody. Man, I tell you what. Wow. It was a great time. And I did not expect the cake. I was not expecting that at all. For me, it was kind of a last minute thing. And to be honest, the reason why I set it to be a last minute thing is because I knew if y'all say, hey, I'm going, these guys are gonna get some cake and they're gonna get me with it. I did not wanted to get cake all over my face and stuff, all over my shirt. My shirt is still stained from it. But anyways, it was a great time. I really appreciate those guys. I love the crap out of them. I really appreciate those guys. I love the shit out of them. They're great guys. It's all for a good fun, and you know, hell, happy birthday to me. Anyways, guys, thank you for coming back to this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, anything, tell me something. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And guys, I will see you next time.